Thank you and congratulations for joining my team. I created this video just to welcome you and Internet Millionaire Mastermind. So my vision and goal for this team is to help more people, right? From those who are newbie and have no idea about how to make money online. So we are here to help each other. So this video is will help you what you will do after you join in this program if you are totally newbie. Okay? So in this video, I will show you a step by step what you will do after you join, from joining our Facebook group, walk through our Kajabi account, also our DGC account, Digital Growth Community, and how to set up your panel, right? And also for you to give an idea about our amazing ebook, right? This will help you to change your life. So my advice for you, if you are watching this one in your cell phone, use laptop or desktop to watch this and follow my instruction for you to make it easy, right? To make the process easy. All you need to do is just believe in yourself, right? Follow the process, follow the instruction. Do not overthink, right? We are here to help each other. So this video you will also give to your downline when someone join under you. So you just share this one, right? This link, because it will help you and also to your new member to make clear for her or him to start in this business. To those who don't know me yet, I'm Alan Mantaring from the beautiful country, Philippines. Way back last year, I'm working as a chef 10 to 12 hours per day, right? But still living paycheck to paycheck. When I discovered this program, this community, way back November 2023, totally changed my life and other people's life. So last January 2024, I finally went home and doing this full time, right? I'm spending 2 hours per day, every single day, right, in this business, and almost triple my salary I receive in New Zealand. And it's helped me to have time for my kids and pay all my debt, right? So because last year I have lost in my traditional business, which is construction business, that put me in trouble. Okay, that is a short background about me. So on the next video, I will show you the overview of this welcome video, right? Do not forget to watch this one, so you will do it step by step easily. Okay, so this is for your own success. Be patient and follow the process. Believe in yourself, and the most important thing, if you want to earn, you must learn first and be coachable. So you are here right now, okay? So the first thing you need to do is just join this program, our Facebook group, right? So then answer some questions, and after that, you will watch this video. So in this video, this is all about overview about Kajabi. Kajabi is the one who holds our membership, right? So if you pay 100, 300, 600, or 900, you pay $29, right? So it's in Kajabi. And overview, right? And you will find your login details in your email. So inside Kajabi, right, there are some instruction how to set up your panel. So in this video, I show you where you go so you can set up your panel easily, right? But before you do that, all you need to do is just create your System.io account. If you have already, so you don't need, right? If you are just free, so you need to create another one, just new account, right? So because if you are using free account, it is limited only. You can import some limited panels. So if you have existing account, then you are using this one on another business, all you need to do is create a new one. Okay? And after you set up your panel, if you are using Facebook promoting this business, you need to optimize your Facebook profile. Okay? So you need to watch this video, right, to establish your own authority online. So you just click this one and you will go on YouTube. And after that, if you are using Facebook also to promote this business, I created an ebook in which help you, right? You watch this video, what you need to do every single day. So in just 30 days, you will get your first sales, right? Maybe 10 days, 15 days, something like that, okay? So you need to watch this video and you need to download that ebook in here. My advice for you is just follow what it is, right? It's helped me to create and earn $1,000, you know, every single month using this ebook, right? Using the strategy I teach in this ebook. So if you are promoting this business faceless, this is the best 10 top traffic free high traffic website in 2024. So you can start in here, right? Promoting. So you just click this one and you will get access. Don't forget to bookmark this page, right? So this is the title you can use to promote this business, right? Already I write already here. And this is the 7 paid Ninja Traffic platform. Of course, if you are starting to earn money, you need to use your money to work for you. So you need to set aside some amount of money, right, for your traffic, for your paid traffic. So you will not rely always on organic traffic. So as we earn, we need to use our money to work for us. Click here. So this is the subject line you can use when you are promoting this business. And this one, this is very good traffic also, Udemy traffic trainings, right? So this is coming soon. Or if you are watching today and already done, right? So it's in here. I will also add in studying a lot of traffics because in any business we need traffic. Aside from organic traffic, we are using paid traffic also, and I will add in here. So all you need to do just as of now is create your free account in here. This is only free, totally free. And in here, some additional links if you want to create your Facebook profile templates. It's in here. Facebook cover profile. This is the new member templates. When someone join under you, right, you can create poster for them. And we will use this one to create posts later on. And also, I have something in which help you, right? So, people, you know, they have problem what to post in their social media. So, I created this one. I buy also this, some of this, and some of this is I get from, you know, from successful people. You get some curiosity posts, right? This is very powerful. You will get also value posts. It's like for your 4 months of posts. You can use this one, a lot of posts. Very valuable, is intended for legacy builder only. And if you are using Instagram, right? So I have 311 Instagram viral posts in which you can edit and put your own logo, put your own name. Okay? So lifetime right? You can use this one, right? This is good for Instagram. Everybody knows that Instagram also is a good source of traffic aside from TikTok, okay? So this is only $17. Yeah, $17. As you can see, 311 Instagram posts, right? So a lot of, a lot of content for your Instagram and Facebook. This one, you can use all of this, right? And I will give you some bonuses. Maybe I can make this one 500 or even 1,000, right? So 1,000 posts. I think I need to rate it. I cannot edit. I will edit later on, right? So I think maybe I can give you 500 for this. And this one, right, done for you emails intended for Legacy Builder. So I will add 45 additional emails loaded in your system IO. Once you purchase this one, you will have 60 emails because inside our system, the campaign have already like 13 emails or 15, something like that. So it will 60 days. As they say, you must at least have 60 days follow-up emails every day before people join, right? Some people join very early, some people takes time. So that is the important having emails, right? It's already done for you. It's already loaded for you, right? So exclusive for Legacy Builder, it's only $9. And this one, if you are having trouble in creating your own panels, inside our system, you will get this done for you system, done for you services for $150, something like that. But for me, if you want to do it for you, buying domains in emails, domain in email configuration, set up panels, connecting payments, gateway, this one, you are the one who will buy domain, right? So if you want, you can just send me money, right? I will buy on my own. GoDaddy is just on $20. And set up panels, testing panels with complete support, just only $97, right? Just only $97. And I can do it for you, okay? So yeah, all you need to do is just click the button, whichever you want, right? So also, if you have a new member, you can give it to them, right? This one, this is for our team, right? To those people who are under me. I created this video because I find out some people, it's very hard for them, to follow the instruction, because we have a lot of trainings and videos inside our Kajabi. So it's very hard for them. So that's why I created this video, just to make it very easy for all of us. So that is only for this video.